Blacksmiths heat and shape metal to create everything from gates and railings to tools and sculptures. Some focus on artistic designs, while others work in construction or historical restoration. Starting out, apprentices earn around £18,000 to £22,000 a year, but experienced blacksmiths can make £25,000 to £35,000. Those creating bespoke pieces or running their own business can earn much more. No formal qualifications are needed, but most blacksmiths train through college courses or apprenticeships. It's a hands-on job that takes skill, creativity, and patience. Think you've got what it takes?